Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in dropshipping with Spreadshirt, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Spreadshirt website to create an account. Click on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email and password. Select your country and accept the terms and conditions. After signing up, log into your account. Navigate to the Create section to start designing products. Choose the type of product you want to customize. Use the design tool to create your unique graphics or text. Once your design is ready, select the colors and sizes for your product. Save your design to your account. Next, go to the Marketplace section. Here, you can upload your designed products for sale. Set competitive prices for your items. Take time to write engaging product descriptions that highlight features. Promote your products through social media channels or your website. Consider collaborating with influencers to reach a broader audience. Monitor your sales and customer feedback regularly. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the data you gather. Keep creating new designs to keep your store fresh and appealing. Stay informed about trends to ensure your products remain relevant. Maintain good customer service to encourage repeat business. Lastly, be patient and adapt to the challenges of the dropshipping market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.